beautiful butterflies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly. If you don't know me, thank you so much for checking out today's video. I finally filmed a nighttime skincare routine. It's been highly requested. I'm so excited to show you beautiful butterflies how I get nice, clean, glowing, moisturized skin for bedtime. So if you'd like to know how I do it, just keep on watching. I start out by tying my hair up and out of my face. This helps me from absolutely soaking my hair, and I go in with my first cleanser using the Biossance Squalane and Antioxidant Cleansing Oil, and I am taking that with my fingertips and really massaging that into my skin with some water, and this really helps break down the sunscreen as well as any dirt and oils that have accumulated on my skin from the day. And then I rinse it off using a face cloth and a massaging motion just to give a natural physical exfoliation. And moving on to the second cleanse, I prefer the Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser with salicylic acid. However, in this video, I am using the Ankylis Salicylic Acid Cleanser. I wanted to try it out, however, it is not my favorite, so I definitely recommend the Murad Salicylic Acid Cleanser. I use a cleanser with salicylic acid to help with my hormonal acne, and I massage that in with my fingertips and then cleanse it off of my skin using a face cloth again. And then I go in with toner. This is the Ole Henriksen Glow 2OH Dark Spot Toner, and I am just putting that on a cotton pad and applying that all over my skin. And a couple of nights a week, I do like to treat my skin, and I treat my skin using the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. I only do that a couple of times a week, and tonight I wasn't using that, so I hopped on to the next step, which is the Biossance Squalane and Hyaluronic Toning Mist, which is the most amazing mist ever. You will see how happy I look. It's just amazing and feels incredible, so I mist that all over my skin, and then go in with eye cream using the Ole Henriksen Wrinkle Blur Bakuchiol Gel Eye Cream. This feels amazing on my under eyes, and I just pat that gently in a kind of circular motion on my ocular bone and do that on both eyes. Next, I go in with my favorite, the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum, and I just pat that into my skin. This feels amazing, and the hyaluronic acid and vitamin C is really beneficial to my skin. Both those ingredients are amazing for anyone's skin. Then I'm moving on to oil. This is the Biossance 100% Squalane Oil. As you can tell, I'm putting on ingredients from kind of lightest to thickest consistency on my face. That is the easiest way to do it, and of course always apply your eye cream first. So I'm just patting this facial oil into my skin to really help moisturize my skin. And then I'm going in next with the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This product is amazing, and I am also just applying that all over my face. And always make sure you apply all of your skincare to your neck and chest. Don't neglect your neck and chest, you will regret it, so always apply that everywhere. And if I have any acne spots, I will use the Ren Clear Calm Salicylic Acid Spot Treatment. And once I have applied all of my skincare, I throw my hair up with one of my satin scrunchies from Scrunch Co. from the amazing Natalie. She's amazing. So I am almost all ready for bed. And then I moisturize my lips with the best ever Laneige Lips Sleeping Mask. I literally cannot go to sleep without putting this on my lips. It is the best product I have ever found for my lips. And that is it. I am very happy, my skin is very happy and ready to go to bed, and was really excited and happy to film this video for you guys. So I hope you beautiful butterflies loved this nighttime skincare routine so much. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me, and your support means the world. I love you beautiful butterflies all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!